Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Acuity Scheduling into Wix for responsive booking UX step by step clearly. First, log into your Wix account. Navigate to the editor of the site where you want to add Acuity Scheduling. On the left-hand side, click on Add to open the Add menu. Select More from the options that appear. Find and click on Embed in the submenu. Choose Custom Embeds and then click on Embed a widget. Drag the widget onto your site in the desired location. Open a new tab in your web browser and log into your Acuity Scheduling account. In Acuity, go to Integrations from the sidebar menu. Scroll down to find the Embed Your Acuity Schedule section. Select the Embed option to generate your unique code. Choose your preferred scheduling layout from the options available. Copy the generated embed code provided by Acuity. Return to your Wix editor and click on the embedded widget you placed earlier. In the Settings menu for the widget, paste the Acuity embed code into the provided field. Adjust the size and position of the widget to ensure it fits well within your site layout. Preview the changes to see how the scheduling appears on your page. Publish your site once you are satisfied with the adjustments. Test the booking feature to ensure everything functions as expected. Make any necessary tweaks to the settings in either Wix or Acuity for optimal user experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.